Lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the textured cut wig from HairDo. And the color here is SS25, also known as Rooted Ginger Blonde. So this is a pixie. It's definitely got a lot of texture and layering all over the top. You can get quite a bit of volume out of this. I will say this is not the most comfortable wig I've ever worn, but at this price point it looks pretty nice. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what texture cut looks like on all sides, and then I'll show you some of the more nitty-gritty details here. This is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, but it's so short you'd have a heck of a time trying to put a curl in this thing. But theoretically you could if you really wanted to. It's got lots of volume, texture. The fringe is a great length. It's only 2.75 inches, so you can wear it down and it shouldn't get in your eyes. In fact, you can comb all this forward if you really wanted to. You can do quite a bit with these short wigs. Sometimes it's surprising the versatility you can get. This is what it sort of looks like when you slick it down, sort of like 90s boy band style. The nape is only 1.75 inches. So it's really short in the back. If you buy this one and decide to keep it, make sure you cut the tags out so it doesn't make a guest appearance when you least expect it behind your nape. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. As I mentioned, it's not the most comfortable wig I've ever worn, and that's because these HairDo wigs kind of sacrifice some of the comfort features on the interior of the cap to make them a little bit more affordable. So we've got here an open top with a big spade of permatease right here down the middle. We also have felt here right at the front hairline. We've got open wefts on the side and in the back with an extended nape. It has Velcro adjusters, though the nape is not entirely felt. And the ear tabs are open and wefted. This wig does not have a ton of stretch to it. But it isn't a small wig, but this particular wig is not like most HairDo wigs. Most HairDo wigs have a lot of stretch and they're quite comfortable. This one's gonna be a little bit tight. It fits a little bit more true to average. It doesn't have a ton of hair on it either, so you wanna aim for the rooted colors really, or a darker color, so that way you don't have to worry about seeing tracks in the back. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you will subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the future content that we produce. And until next time, have a great night everybody. Bye-bye.